Write the letter M. Write the letter M. Tap on the capital letter M every time you see it. M. 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 Tap on the capital letter M. 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 Tap on the letter M every time you see it. M. 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 Tap on the things that start with the letter monkey, mouse, milk. Net starts with N. Bed starts with B. Mixes. You got a star. Come back tomorrow for another one. Rhyming is when two words end with the same sound. Cat rhymes with bat. Fox rhymes with socks. Bread rhymes with bed. Spoon rhymes with moon. Dog rhymes frog. Which of these things rhymes with dog? Frog. Which of these things rhymes with sled? Bread.
Fresh lemonade.
Sorry, did you add the ice?
Yep, and lemon juice and water.
Okay, stir it one more time.
I am stirring it.
Is Zari mixing the lemonade?
What now?
Now we need a customer.
Customer?
Someone to buy lemonade.
Do the girls want to buy lemonade? Do the girls want to buy lemonade?
Oh, look, there's Duo. Hey, Duo, do you want some lemonade?
It's fresh and cold. How many cups do you want?
Just one? Okay, here you go.
Who is going to drink the lemonade?
We made it ourselves. There's lemon juice and water and ice.
And sugar.
Sugar? No, there's no sugar.
We forgot the sugar.
Was the lemonade sweet?